Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. If you've ever been out on an adventure, whether it's a weekend camping trip, a day at a music festival, or just a backyard get-together, you know that the right chair isn't just a place to sit. It's your base camp, your front row seat, and your spot to truly relax. Today, we're on a quest to find the perfect outdoor companion. We're diving into a lineup of what might be the best camping chairs and best portable chairs on the market. We've got 5 contenders, and I'm going to give you a complete breakdown of each one, from the good to the not so great. My goal is to help you find the ultimate tailgating chair or lightweight chair that fits your unique adventure. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. Our first chair in this seating saga brings us to a truly innovative creation, the GCI Outdoor Pod Rocker with SunShade Canopy. Imagine this. You're at a vibrant music festival, the sun beating down, but you're cocooned in your own personal oasis of cool shade, gently rocking to the rhythm. That's the magic of the Pod Rocker. Its patented spring-action rocking technology is like a lullaby for grown-ups, soothing you into blissful relaxation on almost any terrain. Need to shield yourself from the harsh rays? The UPF 50 Canopy has got you covered, making it a fantastic best outdoor chair with shade. While it might not be the featherweight champion of portable chairs, its unique rocking motion and sun protection make it a strong contender for the best portable rocking chair for those who prioritize comfort above all else. It's a conversation starter, a comfort enhancer, and a true best camping chair for kicking back and soaking it all in. Next in our list, we encounter a chair that embodies strength without the added baggage. The Timber Ridge Aluminum Oversized Camping Chair. Picture this. You're a self-proclaimed king or queen of comfort, and you need a throne that can handle your royal presence. This is it. Built with a robust aluminum frame, this best oversized camping chair can support a hefty 400 pounds, offering ample space in its wide seat. Yet, surprisingly, it remains a best lightweight chair in its class, thanks to its aluminum construction. The addition of a handy side table transforms it into the best picnic chair for keeping your snacks and drinks within easy reach. It's a reliable, sturdy companion, perfect for those who need a heavy-duty yet portable chair for camping, picnics, or any outdoor escapade. It proves that you don't have to sacrifice portability for exceptional support. Our journey continues to a familiar name synonymous with outdoor adventures, Coleman and their portable camping chair with fork and cooler. Envision this scene. You're at a lively tailgating party. The energy is high, and a cold beverage is always within arm's reach. Literally, this popular camping chair features a built-in fork and cooler, a stroke of genius for keeping refreshments icy cold without having to get up. The fully cushioned seat and back ensure hours of comfortable lounging, making it a solid contender for the best tailgating chair. With side pockets for extra storage and a reputation for good value, this best budget chair option delivers on comfort and convenience, making it a favorite for casual outings and those who appreciate a cold drink at their fingertips. If you love exploring the great outdoors and want to see more reviews on the best camping gear, hit that subscribe button and join our community. As our tale unfolds, we discover a chair with a knack for stability and a commitment to comfort that won't sag. The Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Camp Chair. Imagine this, you're setting up your campsite, and your chair locks firmly into place, offering a sense of security and unwavering support. That's the promise of Kijaro's innovative dual lock system. This best foldable chair locks both when open for no-sag seating and when closed for easy transport. With 2 cup holders and an organizer, it's a well-thought-out companion for sporting events, camping trips, or simply relaxing in your backyard. While not the absolute lightest, its durable construction and unique locking mechanism make it a top camping chair for those who value stability and hassle-free portability. It's a chair that inspires confidence with every click of its lock. Our final pick brings us to a true titan of outdoor seating, the Overmont Oversized Folding Camping Chair. Picture this. You need a chair that can handle anything, a true heavy-duty champion that doesn't compromise on comfort. This is it. With an impressive 450 pounds weight capacity, this best heavy-duty chair boasts a sturdy frame and plush padding, including a cooler bag and ample storage. It's designed for ultimate relaxation, making it an excellent best fishing chair or a comfortable companion for extended stays outdoors. While it might have a slightly taller profile than some, its robust build and exceptional comfort make it a top contender for anyone needing a reliable and spacious outdoor seating solution. So, our quest concludes. We've journeyed through a diverse landscape of outdoor chairs, each with its own unique strengths and story to tell. From the rocking relaxation of the GCI to the heavy-duty support of the Overmont, each of these top 5 best camping chairs offers something special. The best choice for you ultimately depends on your own adventures and what you value most in your outdoor seating experience. Thank you for joining us on this comfortable journey. If you enjoyed this review and want to explore more top-rated outdoor gear, be sure to subscribe for our next exciting review videos. Happy trails, and may your next outdoor adventure be filled with comfort and joy.